Today we make Ravani, Greek semolina cake. Start with the Greek sugar, put aside the water, add the skin 1 orange, and always 1 Greek cinnamon stick. Turn him on the gas, leave him boiling couple minutes, turn him off. Get him 4 eggs, separate the white and the yellow, put 200 grams sugar in the white, get 1 mixer, make sure it's fluffy. It should be right if you're going like this. You'll be peeking if it's falling down. In the other bowl, put 50 grams of Greek yogurt, juice the 1 orange, add inside your melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now again, you mix him up a little bit. Put this one inside of him, add inside 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 150 grams semolina, get 1 sieve, put inside your flour, and slowly, we're mixing him. Give the 1 dish, take him some butter, little bit semolina on the inside, shake him up. Now put inside your mix. Use the 1 stick to fix him up, smack him up a little bit, do your crust on top, and put him in the oven, 160 degrees Celsius. Take it out, we should go to brown. Now slowly, pour the coarse syrup, the hot cake, and leave it sleeping couple hours. Cut up, take 1 piece. How soft and fluffy she is. Put the plate, give her some cream, fix her up the top, and put anything else you need it. She's bloody beautiful, mate.